Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So if bago ka pa lang dito, ang channel na to ay about student tips, scholarships, and any real student experiences. So are you ready for our new tea today? Ano nga ba yung tea natin today? Today, let's talk about the common mistakes the DOST exam and the university admission exam takers make. And you should avoid it. Okay? Are you ready? Let's get things started. How can you avoid them? Kung magte-take ka ng any scholarship exams or sets, pakinggan mo to. The first mistake is focusing too much on memorization. Puro memorize og formulas, walay understanding. Diba? It's not only about memorizing. It's also about understanding and applying concepts. I swear. And the second mistake, this another mistake is very common. Is common to all of us. Please do not underestimate the English part. Again, do not underestimate reading comprehension or anything else related to English. Abi sa uban, STEM ra tanan walay English, especially ang DOST nga scholarship exam. Dagan kami ingon puro na sila STEM, pero no, do not underestimate English. Maraming reading comprehension questions, time pressured pa. Kaya kapag mabagal kang magbasa, mauubusan ka talaga ng oras. Third mistake, some students spend too much time on one difficult question. And this was one of my biggest mistakes. Please, huwag niyo nang gayahin. Matuto na kayo, Islam. Please. Ma-stuck sila sa usa ka item, unyang kalita dayo kapanik basta magtanaw na sa oras. So please, huwag niyo kong gayahin guys. Matuto na kayo ha. My tip, skip it and come back later. Answer what you know. Okay? Fourth, logical reasoning is one of the most important parts of the exam. And mauni ang pinakaginabaliwala. Ano man? Ayun yung baliwala balance. Patterns, sequences, at reasoning questions. Marami itong puntos pero madalas hindi ito napag-aaralan. Take a lot of practice tests and you'll definitely love the idea of the process and how to answer these logical reasoning questions. Okay? So how do you avoid these mistakes? First, practice with time tests. Second, understand the basics. Third, and you should not forget this, practice and train your thinking skills, not just your memorization skill. Okay? Critical thinking skills, analytical thinking skills, that's it. You practice that one, right? Palikig yun ang basics. Paliki ang basics ug ayaw o labok sa mga lisod na topics diretso. Sa basics gyud magsugod. And that's it. So if you're planning to take the DOST scholarship exam or sets, save this video. Don't forget to follow for more academic tips and please comment reviewer to gain the free access of my reviewers. Again, these reviewers are not solely mine, as I just found these reviewers via Google or any online sources. Okay? So comment reviewer. Alright? So see you on my next video. Bye-bye.